In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in on eBay, our beginner's guide to getting started with this popular online marketplace. Whether you're a buyer looking for great deals or a seller ready to list your items, logging into your eBay account is the gateway to managing all your e-commerce activities. So let's dive in and make sure you know how to access your account effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to open up your internet browser. This could be anything from Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever browser you prefer using. Once that's ready, navigate to eBay's main webpage. Simply type in ebay.com into the address bar and hit enter. Now you'll find yourself on eBay's homepage, which is bustling with ongoing auctions, deals, and an array of featured items. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see several options, but the one you're looking for is Sign In. Give that a click. This is your pathway to entering your personal eBay environment where all your saved searches, current bids, sales, and message alerts are waiting for you. Now that you're on the Sign In page, it's time to enter your login credentials. Begin by typing in your registered email address. Make sure you enter this detail accurately, as email addresses are often case-sensitive. Following this, you'll need to input your password. This is a crucial part of keeping your account secure, so ensure it's entered precisely as you created it, paying attention to any uppercase or special characters. If you happen to forget your password, don't worry. There should be a Forgot Password link available, providing assistance to reset it and regain access. With both your email and password entered, proceed to click the Sign In button. This action takes you into your personal eBay space. And there you have it. You're now logged into your eBay account, ready to explore, buy, sell, or simply track your e-commerce activities. For added security, especially on shared computers, remember to log out once you've completed your session. This is done by clicking on your Account tab, usually represented by your name or My eBay at the top, then selecting Sign Out. This tutorial has walked you through the straightforward process of logging into your eBay account, ensuring you're all set to make the most out of your online shopping and selling experience. Happy browsing, and we'll see you in the next video.